Intercommunal relationship is a relationship that occurs between two or more communities or commodities. The outbreak of communal conflict and insurgency makes it necessary to put certain measures in place to address a social problem. It is natural for individual differences to manifest while we interact one with another, and then it will be closer when mechanisms are not in place to prevent such situations. Peaceful and healthy intercommunal relationship is therefore necessary in sustaining the society. Intercommunal relationship. It is also the relationship between people from different communal society. The relationship between people from different communities is based on economic, social, and political activities. Now, a communal society is a type of society which the population is small and people share things in common as brothers and sisters. Now, examples of a communal society are village, hamlets, camps, and so on and so forth.